Yeah. Put 100 on my wrist. When I touch up on that mic, I been on this. I'm a golden boy, I better take that risk. I went pissed up on my nigga, and I swear that's an assist. We put 100 bands up in Van Cleef. You running that boy, don't call these us in a tech fleece. Window shopping, boy, you cannot pay no fees. I don't wreck your ass, no, you can't compete with me. How you trying, boy, you know that you can keep up. I can go and
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Pricks, back again with another vlog. And you feel me, today I'm gonna be heading out. I'm actually late, supposed to be there at 1. It's like 23 past. So yeah man, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah.
They gon' test you if you're real. They gon' tell you that you're fake. They gon' tell you that it's all a lie, that you never gon' be.
What's up YouTube? I just made it to Mall of Africa. Now I'm currently looking for my boy. I've been calling this guy. He's not answering his phone. I've been calling him, but finally he called. So yeah, I'm on my way to see this bro. He said it's by bounds. So yeah, it's low-key a far walk, but it is what it is, man. But I'll catch y'all in the next clip. I'll probably be with him. So yeah, I'm by bounds and I don't see this guy now. I just got here by bounds. And I'm looking for this kid, bro. I think it's been a year since I've seen him. Shit. Oh yeah. It's been a year since I've seen him. Low-key excited to see my boy. Yeah, man. Actually going to this chick. Where's this Jedi? Swear he said he was at bounds. Where's this guy? Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah. What's up?
I wanna go buy
I'm
a
back.
ball.
I'm with these gents.
400.
We've actually been here for a while, but I just haven't been recording. We've just been chilling. This side. I'm here with, come on, Tommy. See your Insta, nigga.
Tommy.
Type. Who else? I don't know if Insta. See ya. We're going this way. His Instagram is 2x Mark, I think.
Going down.
I'll put their tags. Yeah. Wanna buy a British slip. Right now, we're currently just walking around. Really got nothing to do. I told these niggas must prank people. They don't want. They're saying wanna get bashed. It's me. No, I'm saying I wanna buy a slip downstairs. Type.
Check us.
Yeah, no. Pay. Pick and pay.
So you're gonna pick the sleeping pig.
Type. Hey man, you guys wanna get us in trouble, eh? Wanna get us in huge trouble. What's wrong, Chief? What do you have to say, Chief? What?
It looks like a proposal to those onions.
What?
It looks like a proposal to those onions.
Where we going? We actually buy the slips here. Are you buying you? Are you mad? I'm buying a 20 rand slip. So you guys, we're buying a Betway slip. Oh, we're betting on England. What?
Why you lying?
What?
One of the days why you lying?
What are you saying, Chief?
Why are you lying?
But you saw me buying ice cream.
Yeah. They're bringing dishes not actually. She isn't it? Gotcha.
Yeah, whoever's dating these two, you just cut them lacking. Whoever's dating these two, you just cut them lacking. And I'm posting this, bro.
Hey,
I don't edit.
didn't say anything.
I don't edit.
holding back again.
Nah.
When the chance comes. Stay loyal, Jen. Stay loyal.
Like, the other one. Sorry, we back. We just got the slips. So, yeah. You bought a 2 rag, I remember. But don't lie, you also wanted one.
Since I told these people to come back and buy till this day.
Till this day. Rumor has it, they're still waiting. This via outside. I don't know if it's this side though. No, it actually is. I wanna go take pics. Feel me? Yeah. I'm gonna catch you on the next clip if I don't end up here.
Yeah. Smoking ops, nigga smoking pressure. Like a bitch, nigga, for my leisure. Thought our op bitch had a seizure. But the stats, nigga, fuck a feature. Blow a bike, I'm getting stats now.
What's up? Back again. We just finished. What are we doing? Hey, these niggas put me in some other bad situation, but we won't talk about it. Where these pussies set me up for real, bro.
My homie dealing with operations right now.
Boy, those guys really set me up bad. Welcome to the Diddy party.
See now what I'm doing.
See what I'm doing.
It was a
Wait, send help, kid.
Also YouTube, it's like 2 days after the clip you guys just watched, and like I'm currently going to get a haircut because like school is tomorrow, you feel me? So yeah, I can't go to school looking messed up, so like I'm gonna catch you when I get there.
I just landed and I'm finna go inside right now. I hope it's not full cause yo, it's low-key cold, boy. Yeah, with that Azeling, it's cold. But yeah, man, I'll check you guys after. I'm gonna see if it's full or not. Yo, I just got my haircut. I don't know if y'all can see, but like I'm gonna show y'all properly when I get home because my phone's like on 1%. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get home. Yo, what's up? My phone died, but like yeah, here's the cut though. I couldn't show it earlier because of course my phone died, but like yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all whenever. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's currently the next Saturday and like we're going to a car meet and I'm low-key late. Yeah man, stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, share.
Guapo mix the white with the ecstasy. I don't know your bitch, she a fan of me. Bitch, I float the coupe, while she tapping me. Red ONC, she on top of me. Bitch, I'm high as fuck, my phone on D&D. Bitch, don't call my phone, tryna get reach of me. That little boy, my son, tryna be like me. Attack on my chest, yeah, so like me. Swag different, when the money come around, they gon' act different. I give them time to catch.
What up YouTube? We back. Yeah, we're at Mall of Africa now. They call me to low-key got there like late, but I still think it's some footage and stuff, so I'll be inserting that, you know. But like yeah, now
It's currently Monday or the following week. I forgot to record an outro, so here's the outro. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that follow button. And yeah, man, stay tuned to more videos coming. You feel me? Yeah.
I've been busy.
yeah.
What if you're to look me? You getting it today.
We're gonna wait, chill out.
Yo. You back? Just took snaps. Yo.